Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about this is what was delivered. Doordash customer accidentally orders slice of cheese from McDonald's. Oh yes, the customer that customizes their order to such a fine degree to where they literally remove the entirety of the main item of the order by accident. I'm surprised that McDonald's didn't have the Doordash driver or the delivery driver in general call the customer and actually ask them, what the heck is this? I think McDonald's has just had it to a point. Like, they're just done with Doordash drivers. They're done with Doordash customers. And now they're just starting to do this. So with that said, I want to go over what is being said in this article, how it actually is for Doordash drivers and customers and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A customer placed a customized order from McDonald's through Doordash and she received merely a slice of cheese. The customer is taking the mix-up in stride. You know, that's always good to hear because when a customer ends up making a mistake like that, they normally blame the driver. Like, I literally just did an order where they weren't happy with the fact that I didn't provide them their drink that they wanted, but they didn't even order a drink. While making omissions from a burger Happy Meal order, Gigi Gracie G for 3 accidentally instructed whoever was making her food to place a single slice of American cheese in a box. This means she effectively paid full price for a Happy Meal that had a toy, fries, a bottle of water, and a single slice of what appears to be melted cheese. I'm gonna leave her TikTok as well as her profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. That actually looks like it's a slice of Kraft cheese like that. You didn't just pay full price for the Happy Meal. You could have gotten it so much cheaper for a full package of Kraft single slice cheese that are individually wrapped for less than what you paid for on DoorDash. Not to mention the upcharges and the tip and everything like that. Jesus. Can't even be mad I did this to myself. She captioned the TikTok, which was viewed blank times. What is this article? Like, it feels like this was completely incomplete by the time that this was posted. Like, it's almost like it's a format, but it was never completed, so they never actually completed it. Things you do for content, though, huh? I may have made the dumbest mistake in the world, so I decided to get a food delivery with a cheeseburger meal and a Happy Meal. It was supposed to be a Happy Meal with a hamburger with nothing on it, add cheese. That's it. I actually did no salt, no regular bun, no mustard, no diced onions, no pickle, no meat, add cheese. And this is what they delivered, she says. Yeah, I actually had a McDonald's order that was like this on Grubhub. And yes, literally everything was removed. And what the McDonald's did, instead of doing what this person did at this McDonald's, they actually had me call the customer and say, hey, what exactly do you want here? If she didn't pick up, then they get nothing. But in this case, this is what they get. The camera then cuts to the open sandwich container from McDonald's containing a single slice of melted American cheese. Why is it melted in the box though? 'Cause I feel like this McDonald's just had it with every DoorDash customer ever. One single slice of cheese. One. The McDonald's had the audacity to make this, or so I thought, until I went back and looked that it was my fault, she said before recounting her customizations. No onion, no pickle, no meat, no bun, add American cheese. My fault, $6.43 for one slice of cheese. And fries, and a toy, and a bottle of water. So honestly, not that terrible, but who really thought that's actually what I meant? But McDonald's has probably seen it all. Just box up one singular slice of cheese. Are you kidding me? Take my DoorDash away at this point. Not only has that McDonald's seen it all, they probably just had enough. I will tell you this, Joe, she is taking it pretty dang well for someone who's just been on the receiving end of getting screwed over. Yes, she did to herself, but she was also like, all right, so I guess the McDonald's could have called me, but it is what it is. TikTokers who saw her post had a litany of different reactions. Some quipped on how embarrassing it is to realize when you're the one at fault for your own food delivery misery. Others commended the McDonald's employee for following her instructions to the T. I mean, that's true too. Like, there are some McDonald's that you literally ask no pickles and they will put pickles on it. This McDonald's actually listened to the DoorDash customer, so good on them. Haha, at least they read and followed directions. Probably thought it was for a picky kid. One viewer found the move hilarious, said. If the kid was picky, why would a mom order from McDonald's a singular slice of cheese. I'm not a parent, but if I was, I would go to a store, buy a package of singular sliced cheese, and put that in my kid's meal long before this. Come on, man. If the kid was picky and didn't want any toppings, that makes sense to me. It's always so embarrassing when you realize you're at fault, another argued. They over there thinking, oh, we get it tested by corporate, a third imagined. If you're being tested by corporate, in my opinion, you failed that test. Because the one thing I would say is that were they going to call the customer, or were they going to instruct the dasher to call the customer so that way they can get exactly what they wanted? Or is it more along the lines of, are you following instructions and not getting pickles? I don't know. I think if this was a corporate test, it would be a little bit more intricate than this. It seems like Gigi's accidental order followed the same logic as someone else who ordered only cheese as a prank at McDonald's and then documented their results. So we know that there are locations that will follow these orders with absolutely no questions asked. And as one viewer pointed out, we'll likely know when that happens, patiently waiting for the McDonald's employee who's going to post on TikTok about the person who ordered just cheese, the viewer quipped. Well, first off, whoever ordered cheese as a prank and documented your results, why? If the McDonald's employee did not make a TikTok about this, that is a missed opportunity. This is coming from the guy who literally did a Grubhub literally about this and did not actually make a TikTok about it. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. I think the McDonald's should have instructed the dasher to contact the customer and see what they actually wanted. Although that would also insinuate that the McDonald's was actually going to work with a DoorDash driver, in which case, come on, really? They never work with us to begin with. Number two, the customer really took this really well. Honestly, I am shocked that she took this in such stride. Most customers would be the first person to rate the driver badly, cause an issue with corporate, everything else that goes into it. Not what happened here. I wouldn't go as far as calling it a prank of any kind. I don't think they were thinking about it as a prank. I don't think they were thinking about it as corporate testing them, because if they did, I think they would have contacted the customer to see if their customer service skills are on point. And also, McDonald's is operated as a franchise, not a corporation, so that wouldn't be the case at all. Nevertheless, good on Grace for taking this in such stride. I hope that in the future she learns from this and doesn't actually remove the bun or the meat and actually gets what she actually wanted. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!